Hi, Samadhan here. You are watching my Simulink tutorial 4. In this tutorial today, we are going to discuss difference between mux, merge and bus creator block. So, many people have doubt in their mind what is exactly mux, merge and bus. So many people get confused between these three. Keep in mind that the mux and bus are used to combine the signals, whereas merge is used to select one of the incoming signal. So merge is used for completely different purpose. First, we will see what is the exactly difference between mux and bus creator block. If I click on mux block, you have to choose the number of inputs. You have able to choose the number of inputs, but you cannot able to choose the data types. Here you can able to choose only number of inputs, but you cannot able to choose the data types. Now if I click on bus creator block, if I click on this bus creator block, you have option here to choose the number of input as well as output data types from this bus block. So main difference between in these two, mux we cannot able to choose the output data type, but in bus creator block we can able to choose the output data types. So here we can say mux only accept the signal with same data type. If you try to connect different type signal, if you try to connect different type signal to mux, it will give the error. Where bus creator block, where bus creator block, this block bus creator block accept the signal with same data type as well as different data types. Here you can see this data type is event 8 and this data type is event 16. So bus accept different data type signals, but in mux I pass only same data type signals. See, both are event 8. Here is event 8 and here also event 8. Event 8 control temperature 1, event control temperature 2. So mux only accept same data type signal, but bus creator block accept dissimilar data types. As well as we can send similar data types. Both similar as well as dissimilar data types bus can accept. If you know the C language in in array, in C language, array is used for collection of similar data types, whereas structure is used for dissimilar data types. So same thing is here. Same thing is here. Mux is work as array. This mux is work as array, and bus creator block. This bus creator block is work as a structure. If you generate the code for mux with same data type, where you will be the where we will be get the code is array. If you generate the code for this mux, then you will get the array in code. Okay, and if you generate the code for this bus creator block, so after generation code will be a structure, means for bus array will be created, we can say, in code, and for bus you will get structure in code after generation of code. So if I open this bus creator block, here you can see this is the name of structure. You can able to edit, you can put the name as per your convenient. You can change this name also, but I write here structure name as a bus truck, and these two are the members of structure. When you generate the code, so this will be the name of structure, and inside that these two are the members of structure with data type event date and event 16. So in this way you can in this way you can add the member of struct, and then after that you have to click on OK. So this is the about mux and bus creator block. I hope you understood the difference between mux and bus creator block. Now next we will see what is merge. Okay, so many times in interview also it is asked. So now we will see what is merge. Okay, merge is rather used to select one of input signal. If you look at this logic, if you look at this logic, here we have two subsystems, this subsystem 1, subsystem 2. Each subsystem passing its output, each subsystem passing its output to this merge block. So subsystem output, subsystem 1 output and subsystem 2 output I am passing to merge block. And one more signal is there. See, this is one more signal is there, and its data type is boolean. When it is true, then subsystem 1 is active, and when it is false, then below this subsystem 2 will active. So at a time only one subsystem will be active. So merge block select output only currently active. Merge block select output only currently active subsystem. If no subsystem active, it take the output of last active and recently active subsystem. If no subsystem is active, then it will take the output as a last active subsystem or recently active subsystem. So remember, while using merge block, two subsystems cannot be active at a same time. So here we can say the key points for merge. So some key points we can discuss. So main key points for merge: no two subsystem can be active at the same time. No two subsystems can be active at the same time. It will take, second point, it will take most recent value as output if none of the subsystem active. Okay, if none of the subsystem active. I will repeat, it will take most recent value as a output if none of the subsystem is active. Third one, at initialization, it will take initial value as a output. If you not define any value, it will consider as a 0. If you define specific value, then it will take defined value. So here you have the option, what is the initial output. If you define as a 0, then it will take initially as a 0. If you define any other value, then that value it will be considered as a initial value if no subsystem is active. Okay, so this is the about merge block, how it will work. So I will show you now. If I run this model, it will work. See, it's working. Okay, it's working. If I remove, you can easily then you can understand. If I remove this not gate and if I connect direct this to here, it will give the error because both the subsystem cannot active at the same time in merge block. If both the subsystem is active at the same time, it will give the error. See, so this is the error. What is the error? Output of merge block is being updated concurrently at t is equal to 0 by both block. So this is this error because two subsystem is activating at the same time. That's why this error is given. So what to do? You have to develop the logic in such a way that two subsystems cannot be active at the same time. So now this error will be removed. If I run once again, if I run once again, see, now we are not getting any error. So this is about merge. I hope you understood the what is the difference between mux mux and bus and merge. So this is the main difference. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please thumbs up. Thank you very much.